Have you ever wondering how you lose contact? Maybe you just changed your phone or someone stole your phone and as a result, you do not have access to phone and you change to a new phone. And for you to get back some of the contact you have on your previous phone become difficulty and unable to retrieve back some of the contact. In this video, if you are the type, I will show you step-by-step guide on how to simply back up and synchronize your contact to your Google account without any stress, and you stop losing any contact as a result. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to simply click on my settings right here. All right, so the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, all the way down until you get to Google. So click on Google right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on all services. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, all the way down until you get to Google Contact Synchronize. So click on that. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on also synchronize device contact. Click on that to turn it on. And this is going to pump up. Backup and synchronize device contact by automatically saving them as Google Contact. Google Contacts are available across Google services and can be managed on any sign-in. As simple as that. So what you need to do right here is to turn on automatically backup and synchronize device contacts. And this is going to pump up. You will be asked to select your Google account. It's as simple as that. As you can see right here, all your contacts on your phone is going to be backed up into your Google account and does not apply to contact on SIM or in account signing in with cloud service like Exchange. It's as simple as that. This simply means that whatever contact you save on your device, it will automatically save to your Google account. So in case you lost your phone or you misplaced your SIM card, you can easily so in case you lost your phone or you mistakenly destroy your SIM card, what you can do here is to make sure that you have access to your Google account. Once you log into a new phone with your Google account, all your contacts can simply be restored back into that new phone. It's as simple as that. And with that, you will no longer lose any contact of your friends or your loved one. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.